If you're searching for the cloud-based model to suit your specific needs, today we might just have some answers for you. Today we are going to do a head-to-head comparison between Vllm as well as Llama.cpp and figure out what they actually have to offer and how they will benefit you. So let's do it. Okay, so we're having a look at Vllm now. So it is a high throughput, low latency interface engine specifically designed for serving large language models in production environments. It really does excel at handling multiple concurrent users and scaling efficiently for enterprise workloads. So it is really designed for mass data. It is also performance optimized. So it's become more of the go-to choice for integrated LLMs into large-scale web services, where responsiveness and throughput are more critical factors. You can see over here some of the advanced performance optimizations. You receive continuous batching and intelligent scheduling, which can maximize GPU utilization. It is token-based, so the token-based speculative decoding minimizes server wait times, and it's optimized for GPU acceleration and multi-model support. You can integrate it with Hugging Face transformers ecosystems as well, and it is really a fantastic architecture. The last thing over here that we're going to have a look at is the real-time chatbot. So it has powerful virtual assistants and customer service bots. These can handle thousands of simultaneous conversations with minimal latency. It serves as an interface backend for more sophisticated web and mobile applications that require responsive AI capabilities, and you can also deploy at scale within enterprise software as a service products that need more reliable high-performance AI components. We're having a look at Llama.cpp now. So Llama.cpp is a lightweight open source implementation that enables running Llama family language models on consumer hardware. So if you have written in C, C++, it maximizes your efficiency and it requires minimal dependencies. It makes local AI accessibility possible even without specialized equipment. The versatile tool supports various platforms including Mac, Linux, Windows, and even runs on mobile devices. This is a breakthrough. Also, it's optimized for CPU inference with limited GPU acceleration. It has minimal resource requirements compared to some of its other competitors, and it's perfect for developers seeking maximum portability. We're also having a look at some of their features and the general design. So it is designed for edge devices and consumer hardware. So with highly optimized code, it minimizes resource consumption while maintaining a decent acceptable performance. It's got a straightforward API for loading models, processing prompts, and generating text without complicated setups or even dependencies. It has a rich ecosystem of community-developed plugins and extensions for more specialized tasks and custom pipelines, and it has continuous improvements which will ensure compatibility with the latest Llama model versions and all performance optimizations. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, a head-to-head comparison of some of the best software in the industry. Now, the takeaway here is to go and put these softwares to work, see how they actually benefit you and what they can really do. If this was enjoyable, you can drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.